Hi everyone, we are students of S.Pd University. We would like to present our group role-play project for English 1. Our group consists of 5 members. So, my name is Rizky, Rivani, Fatwa.
My name is Pradita Rahmawati.
My name is Lulut, Nindita, Devi.
My name is Eliza Pramesti.
My name is Ossy Indriyanti. The topic discussed is natural, focusing on natural disaster in Aceh and part of Sumatra.
This issue is important because natural disasters have been happening more frequently in recent years.
Through this roleplay, we want to show how climate change, pollution, environmental damage can increase the risk of the disaster such as floods and landslides.
We hope this roleplay can raise awareness and encourage people to care more about protecting nature and the environment.
Now, let's begin our roleplay.
Thank you!
It was fun, right?
By the way, guys, it's nice that we can hang out together today.
Yeah, but honestly, lately I've been worried about the environment.
Same here. There are so many problems in nature.
Yeah.
Guys, I just saw some news.
What news, Ossy?
Breaking news. Heavy rain has caused natural disaster in Aceh and parts of Sumatra. Floods and landslides have damaged forests and rivers, affected many people, isolated communities, and caused power and internet outages. Roads and bridges have been cut off, making rescue efforts difficult. Emergency teams are working to help the victims. Due to continued heavy rainfall, thousands of homes have been damaged, forcing many residents to evacuate to several areas. Several provinces, including Aceh, North Sumatra, and West Sumatra, have declared a state of disaster emergency as rescue operations continue. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency reported that the extreme weather was influenced by Cyclone Senyar, a rare phenomenon in equatorial regions like Indonesia.
That's really sad. Natural disasters seem to happen more often now.
I think climate change is one of the main cases.
Yes, deforestation had reduced natural resources, so the ecosystem become weaker.
Yeah, I think so. If forest has been protected, the environment would be more balanced.
My aunt lives near one of the affected area in Sumatra. She said the pollution there is very bad.
It must be scary for the people living there.
It is. The river had polluted long before the flood happened.
That's why conservation is important to protect wildlife and nature.
People should care more about the environment, right?
Right.
Yeah, if we keep ignoring the climate change, then the natural disaster will continue.
So, this situation made me realize how fragile nature is.
We may not be able to stop disasters, but we can reduce the damage.
In the future, I hope the government improve disaster prevention system and people become more aware of protecting the environment.
Yes, that's right. That's why we should start with a simple thing, like reducing waste.
If everyone cares about nature, our environment will be safer. So guys,
Let's save our environment!
Bye.
Bye.